Hello. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening, my dear viewers, and those who have subscribed. Thanks. I encourage you to keep on sharing. Remember, our goal is to make 100 and above subscribers. So, the more you share, the more I get the energy of doing more and more videos. So, for this time around, we are going to have a brief introduction into Microsoft Excel. So I'll come here and click on a blank page. So here, Excel, it's mostly used in analysis of data, maybe after carrying out a research, because it gives you a variety of options into you can express your results. For example, you can use, here we have different charts. As you're saying here, we have these ones, these are columns or bar charts, of which they have different. This is a 2 column D, this is a 3, this is a 2, and all those. And we have even pie charts. It depends on which kind of results you have that you want to put into a graph or into a picture. So even you have these charts here, it depends on what you want. We have line graphs and other kinds of graphs, our histograms and other grams. So here, before you click there, you have to come here and put your cursor on this cell. So let's say this cell A, I can put name. Then I go on the next one, I put age. The third one, I can put gender. It's a gender. Then I put, let's use those. So after that, I'll come here, I put 22, let's say. So that can put here 22, put here, let's change this to height. So I can put 21. Come here, can put innocent. I put age, I click here. Okay. Come on, put here 21, put here 23, put here another one, say done. I put here 67, put here 34. So let's use the information for a time going. So after doing that, I can come here, I can come back here, and then I come into insert. I can put, let's say, a bar graph, a pie chart. I think you see how this pie chart has been just automatically displayed itself, reflecting on the type of information that I fed into my Excel cells. So it has age, which is, I can still come and add my title name. I can come here, put title name. So the title name here is put in age, male port. Names. Then after putting names, I automatically know that Sadat here he has. Then I can still come and define this carrying within my pie chart that I have drawn. Or I can still change. You see, now it has come here. Put for you, this is Sadat, this is Ino, and this is Dan. It depends on how you want to display your result. So for me, I'll go with this one because it's already labeling for me the portion or the percentage or the degree of which every person contributes to make it a full circle. So if I want that, then I can go back still on insert. I can put this and I say I want this such a kind of graph. It is displaying Sadat one, which is, I'll define it here for you, but the blue one I can give it height, and then this orange one I can give it age. So it is displaying because I've fed into two different columns, so they're giving me results of Sadat in two different, because they're giving me my age and my height. So that's how you can display it. It depends on the kind of graph that you want. You can either put it like this, or you can be drawn like that. There's that one, or still you can come here and they still give you a line graph in the way you're saying they're displaying it. It can still be a line graph for you to watch, or for you to display results into. Or you can still come and add a picture in case you want to add. So which one? These are different pictures. So you'll come, they bring you here, you select in that you want to put into this, then you add it here, and just you select, let's say this one, then you select insert in case you want it to be fed there. So here you can come and give your graph a name. Already the name I've given, the title of the graph, I've given it the title is names. So it is displaying names, Sadat, Ino, and Dan. So after that, you can also select other things, because it gives you a lot of options that you can select. From there, when you're done doing your work, you'll come back here, files, then you'll select save. After selecting save, you select where you want for work to be, where you're going to find your work. I select the desktop, then they're bringing here book 1. I'll come and play. See, I'll give it a name Zada. So after that, then I automatically come and save my work, and I can come and close and look for my work on the desktop. Alright, thank you for watching. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking, sharing, and just waiting for all your comments. Thank you. My God bless you.